review some of the items that you'll need to take blood sugar at home or to see what we do in the clinic. So Jade is just loading the stylet, which is going to provide us with a blood sample from Jody's ear. And she's just taking off the protection cap and then putting the cap over top, which will allow us to put a tiny hole in her blood vessel in her ear. So now Jade's going to get the strips out. So we need one strip each time we're doing a blood sugar reading. And it's best when you're handling these strips to hold them in the middle. And one portion of that strip is going to go into the meter. This is the AlphaTrack meter for cats and dogs for blood sugar monitoring. And what we're going to see is that we have the previous reading on there, and now it's ready for a blood sample. So you can see the little strip and the drop flashing. We want to make sure when we put the strip in that that code for cats and dogs matches the code that came up on the screen, which was 93 for the cat. And now Jade's going to find an ear vein on the lateral aspect or the outside aspect of her ear. You can see the red vein there under the tape. So she's putting some pressure with a roll of tape. She's going to hold the stylet over and then press the button to get a blood sample. We don't need a lot of blood for cats. So what we have there is a tiny little drop, but you'll be surprised that the machine's going to suck up just a tiny amount of that, and then it's going to process and tell us Jody's blood sugar. So Jody's blood sugar is 5.6, which is normal. And then what we see is Jade is holding the blood vessel off on the ear so that we don't have any excess bleeding.